Are you an active trader needing advanced charts, real-time data, and lightning-fast execution? Fidelity's Active Trader Pro is a professional-grade desktop platform, and it's free. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Download it from the Fidelity website. Once logged in, you can customize your layout with multiple watch lists, charting windows, and order tickets. The key features are direct trading from charts, real-time level 2 quotes, and advanced screening tools. It's designed for speed, allowing you to execute complex strategies quickly. My crucial pro tip? Set up your hotkeys. This is the professional's edge. In the settings, program keyboard shortcuts for common actions like buy market, sell bid, or cancel all orders. This lets you react to market movements in a fraction of a second, which can be critical for active trading. Upgrade your trading from a web browser to a command center. Are you an Active Trader Pro user? What's your favorite feature? For more guides on advanced trading tools, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.